today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a back walkover on the knee. So let's get started.
Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is start stretching. Stretch out everything including your shoulders by doing arm circles like I'm doing, or any way that you want while you're standing, and also stretch out your legs so they won't feel stiff when you're doing the back walkover, and you can have tight legs and you won't bend your legs at all. Then the next thing you need to do is stretch out your wrist, because that's also a main factor in doing a back walkover, so you'll have a good grip and you won't feel stiff or scared when you get on the beam. Yeah, I'm taking it really far with this. Okay. Next, you want to stretch out your shoulders again, so you can push through your shoulders so when you land, so you have a controlled landing and you'll stick it. Then you want to stretch out your back really well, because that's also one big factor, and you won't freak out or fall because your back won't be stiff because you stretched. The first thing you'll need for this is a back walkover on the floor, of course. When you're doing a back walkover, make sure your hips are square, and when you're doing your back walkover as well, start putting your hands closer together and start practicing hand positions like the butterfly and a back handspring position. I personally like the butterfly position because it's more easier to grip the beam. Then go on the beam and try the hand positions that feel more comfortable to you. Then you can get on the beam and start trying handstand, half of a handstand with the hand position, like so. And so you'll get the feel of how a back walkover feels when you're getting out of it, and you'll find out which is comfortable. Then you can start getting a gym mat or something, or squishy, something protective, and start doing your back walkovers with those hand positions. Then you can start folding the mat down. And then you can take the mat off and try sticking it and using those same hand positions. But then when you get as a pro like me, you can get on the beam and start doing your back walkover and sticking it perfectly. Exhibit A. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you just subscribe and become a Natatorian fan. The first